I am Ayesha Capella Zeta, and today I'm gonna talk about the road signs. Common road signs in the Philippines. In the Philippines, road signs help us to keep safe when we're walking or driving. No parking. This tells drivers not to park their cars in that area. No U-turn. U-turns are not allowed at the location of the sign. No blowing of horn. Horn use is prohibited in the area to minimize noise pollution, usually near hospitals, school, church, or residential areas. Speed limit. It shows how fast cars can go in a certain area, like speed limit 40. School zone indicates a school zone. Drivers should reduce speed and be extra cautious for children crossing the road. Slippery road. Warns of slippery road conditions often due to wet or rain or wet surfaces, requiring drivers to slow down. Remember, these signs are used to ensure safe driving conditions and to reduce accidents. It's important for both drivers and pedestrians to be familiar with these signs for their safety. Thank you.